Today, in this video, we are going to learn about muscular system and the nervous system in human body. Encyclopedia. Part 4. Introduction. Welcome to the human body, Encyclopedia, a journey through the incredible structure and functions of the human body. From the smallest cell to the most complex organs and body systems, each part plays a vital role in sustaining life. This educational series is designed to present accurate, easy to understand knowledge for students, teachers, healthcare professionals, and lifelong learners around the world. Muscular system. Leg and foot surface muscles, anterior view. Shows the major muscles visible from the front of the leg and foot, including the tibialis anterior and toe extensors. These muscles lift the foot, extend the toes, and stabilize walking. Leg and foot surface muscles, medial view. Illustrates the muscles and tendons along the inner side of the leg and foot. These structures support the arch and assist with balance and foot movement. Leg and foot surface muscles, lateral view. Displays the muscles on the outer side of the leg, including the fibularis muscles. They help evert the foot and provide stability during walking and running. Leg and foot surface muscles, posterior view. Highlights the calf muscles, Achilles tendon, and other posterior leg muscles. These muscles generate powerful movements for standing, walking, and jumping. Dorsal foot, layer 2. Shows the second layer of muscles and tendons on the top of the foot. These structures assist in toe extension and fine motor control. Layer 3. Illustrates the deeper muscular and connective structures of the dorsal foot. They contribute to foot stability and coordinated toe movements. Plantar foot, layer 2. Displays the second muscular layer of the sole, including tendons and intrinsic muscles. These support the foot arches and aid toe flexion. Layer 3. Shows deeper plantar muscles responsible for precise toe movements and foot stability. They play an important role during walking and standing. Layer 4. Reveals the deepest layer of muscles between the metatarsal bones. These muscles help spread and bring together the toes while maintaining balance. Muscle microstructure, extensor indicis. Illustrates the microscopic organization of the extensor indicis muscle fibers. It demonstrates how skeletal muscle cells contract to extend the index finger. Nervous system. Nervous system, posterior view. Shows the nervous system from the back, including the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. It illustrates how nerves branch throughout the body. Provides a detailed posterior perspective of major nerve pathways. It emphasizes the communication network connecting the spinal cord to the limbs. Cutaneous innervation dermatomes, anterior view. Displays the sensory skin regions supplied by spinal nerves on the front of the body. Each dermatom represents a specific spinal nerve segment. Illustrates the distribution of dermatomes across the anterior body surface. It helps identify nerve root involvement during neurological examinations. Shows the organized pattern of sensory nerve territories on the front of the body. This map is useful for diagnosing spinal nerve injuries. Highlights the anterior dermatom layout from the neck to the feet. It demonstrates how sensory information is distributed through spinal nerves. Cutaneous innervation peripheral nerve distributions, anterior view. Illustrates the skin areas supplied by major peripheral nerves on the front of the body. It differs from dermatomes by showing individual nerve territories. Shows the sensory regions of the anterior body served by peripheral nerves. This map assists in locating peripheral nerve injuries. Highlights the anterior cutaneous territories of major peripheral nerves. It is commonly used in clinical neurological assessments. Demonstrates how peripheral nerves provide sensation to different parts of the front of the body. It helps distinguish nerve damage from spinal root disorders. Cutaneous innervation dermatomes, posterior view. shows the sensory skin regions supplied by spinal nerves on the back of the body. Each colored area corresponds to a specific spinal nerve root. Illustrates the posterior dematum pattern from the neck to the lower limbs. It is valuable for evaluating spinal cord and nerve root conditions. Displays the organized sensory distribution of spinal nerves across the back. It helps clinicians identify the level of neurological injury. Highlights the posterior dermatomes responsible for skin sensation. This anatomical map supports accurate neurological diagnosis. Cutaneous innervation peripheral nerve distributions, posterior view, shows the sensory territories of major peripheral nerves on the back of the body. It illustrates how individual nerves supply different skin regions. Displays the posterior cutaneous nerve distribution of the upper and lower body. It assists in identifying peripheral nerve disorders. Illustrates the skin areas supplied by peripheral nerves across the back. It provides a clear reference for sensory nerve assessment. Shows the posterior sensory territories of major peripheral nerves. It helps distinguish localized nerve injuries from spinal nerve involvement. Highlights the complete posterior peripheral nerve distribution to the skin. This map is essential for understanding sensory nerve anatomy. Cervicobrachial plexus, posterior view, illustrates the network of nerves supplying the shoulder, arm, and hand from a posterior perspective. It demonstrates how cervical spinal nerves form the brachial plexus. Shows the branching pattern of the brachial plexus behind the shoulder region. These nerves control movement and sensation of the upper limb. Provides a detailed posterior view of the cervicobrachial plexus and its major branches. It is an essential reference for understanding upper limb nerve anatomy and clinical disorders. Conclusion: the human body is one of nature's greatest masterpieces, filled with remarkable complexity, precision, and beauty. We hope this encyclopedia has helped you understand and appreciate how our bodies work and inspired you to continue exploring the wonders of medical science. Thank you for watching LSKSM Vlogs, a global digital knowledge bank, preserving knowledge for future generations. These videos are not only for the current generation. They are a humble effort to preserve knowledge, history, science, and human achievements for future generations. Thank you to everyone who supports and encourages this journey of building a digital library of learning for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the LSKSM Vlogs channel, like, comment, and share it to help pass on knowledge to future generations. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. G. Sobhanadri Rao, LSKSM Vlogs.